Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining today. Greatly appreciate it. I have two boxes to share with you today. A PR package from Boom Beauty and then my Chic Beauty Box. So let's do Chic Beauty first because that's the main character of the video today. Oh, it's not even sealed. I forgot they don't seal them. They come in an outer package. This box does come from Canada, just so you're all aware. So here, you get a card. And the prices of 5 of the products that you could have in your box. I don't even remember what I chose, so there's the items in the box. Mixed between drugstore and maybe Ulta, Sephora brands. I don't think I've ever gotten a high-end brand in this box, which is fine. That's not going to stop anything. First thing in here, let me find a Maybelline. Where is this in? Right here. Maybelline's Tattoo Studio Sharpenable Gel Pencil Waterproof Eyeliner, $8.99. And this actually looks like it's blue, right? Navy. Thank you. I'm so glad there's no black eyeliner. I love a good navy. I have blue eyes. And navy, I just put it underneath and it just pops my eyes. So I love that. Let's see what this is. Okay, so now we have a couple things in here a little bit more high-end from Fenty Beauty. This is a hydrating lip stain, $28. This has got a seal on it. Yes. We'll open the bottom where there is no seal in. So this is the packaging right here. Nice, sleek, beautiful packaging. Let's see what this is. So this is more of a purple, which I can pull off, believe it or not. So it's right there. I never thought in a million years that I would love a purple, but I have a, what is it, Machino Beauty, I think, like a purple. And every time I wear it, I get compliments. This is nice. I could wear these together. One is more of a lip stain. The other one is it's not it is a lipstick, but it has some sheen to it. So it's like a lipstick and glossed combination. But I'm excited for that. I don't, like I said, I don't remember what items I chose and what I didn't, but I'm loving that. Here from Clarins Paris, we have SOS Primer. Another good one, $40. I don't think I've tried their primer. I'm not sure. I might have in a sample. So nice size. I mean, definitely everything in here is always full size. So far, 3 out of 5 is not bad. We have something wrapped up here. Let's see. Okay. And this is from Almay. This is for me, I remember Almay when I was younger. Shadow Trio Hearts on Fire, $8.99. I'm going to sneeze. I'm so sorry. I've been sneezing all day. So, they're the shades. I'm trying not to sneeze. It didn't break. I'm trying not to sneeze. And then lastly, from NARS, we have a single eyeshadow. $19. And I have... Thank God for my magnifier. Persia. Let's open this up and see. How does this open? Not sure. Here's the end. Oh, is it broke? Hope not. I can see remnants of it on the outside of the package. I hope not. No, it's not. So that's a strange eyeshadow, more of an orangey base. I mean, I could try it as a blush. I don't think I would wear it as an eyeshadow. See, I thought it was on the broke because some powder was on the outside, but that's okay. That is an okay for me. The Almay is okay, but I would wear them shades for sure. Right here. So not horrible whatsoever. I mean, 3 of them I'm super excited for, and the Almay I'm okay about. The NARS, they had a NARS lip balm. That would have been nice to have, but that's okay. Not bad. And this should be, is this the October, November box? I honestly lost track, but this October, it says October's items. So I would say October. I don't think it's September, October. Could be wrong. October, November. Could be wrong there too. So let's see what I got from Boom Beauty. They've been like added me to their PR list. Obviously I'm a little bit older than some. So, and this is a lot of times geared towards, you know, more mature skin, but anybody can use it. I could just get into it. I'm not sure how this opens. And see, I don't even know what it is, honestly. Usually they send 1 product, 2 products, things like that. So in here, we have a card. So the product is, oh, Boom Beauty Brightening Under Eye Cream. Oh, I'm excited to try this. I've really been loving their boomsticks, their blushes. Just, I did a trial for them with mascaras. Love, love, love. So here, and this is not for them. This is just an advertisement. So this is, let me see what we got here. Brighten, Firm, and Hydrate. Vitamin C. Licorice root is very good for that. Wild mint and niacinamide. And let's open this up and see. It's obviously going to be a tube, but a decent sized tube. So I am so excited to try this. Brightening Under Eye Cream. I desperately need it. I've not been feeling good. I've been not sleeping well. So I'm tired. So I've been trying everything. And I'm excited to give that a try and see what I think about that and let Boom know. But I always appreciate when they shoot me an email that they're going to be sending a product. And I'm always like, yes, let me try. Awesome right there. I don't know where my other purple is. I mean, I do know where it is, but let's see. I mean, I do know exactly where everything is up there, believe it or not. Machino, and this one is Madame. I mean, down to that little bit. That's why. And I probably will just have to repurchase. So this is a little bit deeper. And the Fenty's brighter and that one's deeper. But maybe together it would be nice. But I do have to buy a new one. I've looked, and I got this from IPSY in probably a BoxyCharm. I don't think I got it. And I have another one from them. And I think this is just the clear. Oh no, this is like a little pink. I think this is like XO or something like that. I don't wear this one as much, but this one is a cult classic of mine. Like, I go on spurts where I wear this every day. Obviously, as you can tell, like, I'll be putting a lip brush down there to get every last drop. But I do think I just have to break down and go to their site and buy a new one because I love that. And I also have, I think, some pencils from them too. And one of these is, if I'm not mistaken, is Madame. And then the other one is, Ijama. So this one right here is the pencil. So it's a deeper pencil. So, and when I'm using a darker pencil, I'll blend it just so you just get the hint, and then I'll put the product on. But I use this occasionally. Sometimes I'll use this to fill my whole lip in, depending if I want like that deep plum color. But been loving that. So if anybody sees it anywhere on the IPSY BoxyCharm site, please let me know, because I will buy 5 of them. Like, I love them that much. Excuse me, I knew that sneeze was going to come. Can only hold them back so long. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts on this. I'll, you know, have to try out the Boom product and see what I think. But let me know your thoughts on the Chic Beauty Box. I would love to know. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for being patient with me. These last couple weeks have been tough. So, like, I'm not, like, putting videos out on my normal days, because if I'm just having, like, a down day, just like, I'm no different than you. I don't want to film. Or I have it filmed, but I'm like, I just can't even sit there and edit it. So, I'm still trying to do my 4 videos a week. So far, so good. So, I appreciate all of you and your grace that you're giving me. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all in next week's videos. Bye for now.